Just eat it. Eat it. Open up your mouth and don't worry about if it's funky or if it's wrong or right.
Rattles Travel Gossip Tea, Friday, August 14, 2026. Opening brief. What's good, my traveling fam? It's your girl Rattles. Best in Travel Channel hosting. Baby. Friday finally pulled up looking cute, but the travel street still got unfinished business. Storms bullying airports. European resort towns running from serious wildfires. Mount Etna still smoking like somebody's uncle who refused to leave the cookout. Rich travelers moving summer vacation to fall. Airline engines coming back to work with medical bills from hell. And easyJet friends got strike weekend loading. Friday got on nice clothes, but chaos still in the passenger seat. Now pour that tea. First brief. FAA said Friday's airport map got anger issues. What that blue said to Rattles was: thunderstorms could delay Atlanta, Charlotte, several Florida airports, Houston, Denver, Salt Lake City, Phoenix and Las Vegas today. Seattle and San Francisco may deal with low clouds, while traffic management programs were already active or possible at several airports. Baby. That weather map looked like somebody's auntie took a red marker and circled everybody she's still mad at. Atlanta wet. Houston irritated. Vegas catching weather hands. Phoenix sweating with attitude. And SFO underneath that same grey bonnet acting like sunshine got blocked. Check that app before you leave the driveway smiling like your departure time got morals. Second brief. Europe said, vacation over, move your ass. What that blue said to Rattles was: wildfires hit resort areas in Croatia and Greece, forcing major evacuations as extreme heat and drought helped fires spread. No jokes on that. People losing homes, businesses and everything they built is serious. If officials tell you to evacuate, go. Your resort buffet cannot fight flames. Your beach chair cannot negotiate. And that cute linen set is not emergency equipment. Get safe first. Vacation later. Third brief. Mount Etna said Catania can stay on punishment. What that blue said to Rattles was: Catania airport arrivals remain suspended because volcanic ash continued affecting Sicily, with hundreds of flights diverted or cancelled during the disruption. Baby. Etna been clearing its throat so long, the whole island know the song. That volcano said, ain't nobody landing till I'm finished. At this point, Palermo airport probably answering Catania's phone like, yeah, they busy. What you need? When geology start acting up, your itinerary become fanfiction. Travel tip of the day. If ash, storms, wildfire or a strike touches your trip, screenshot every schedule change. Save every hotel, meal and transportation receipt. Keep medicine, charges, ID and one emergency outfit in your carry-on. Baby, check luggage got abandonment issues and terrible communication skills. Fourth brief. Air Canada said rich folks moved summer vacation to fall. What that blue said to Rattles was: Air Canada expects strong September and October revenue as more premium travelers choose shoulder season trips to avoid peak summer heat and crowds. Baby. Rich folks looked at Europe in August and said, I'm not sweating with everybody's children. They moved Italy to October, Japan to spring, and told summer, call me when the temperature, crowds and school vacations calm the hell down. Luxury travel said peace and quiet got a boarding group now. Fifth brief. The engines came back to work, but the repair bill refused to leave. What that blue said to Rattles was: aircraft groundings tied to engine problems are improving, but airlines continue facing major costs for repairs, replacement engines and long-term leases. Baby. The engine healed. Came home. Put on clean clothes. Clocked back in. And the hospital bill was already sitting on the couch. Accounting over there whispering. The plane flying again. So why we still broke? Them engines got better before the invoices did. Sixth brief. easyJet France said weekend travelers better keep that phone charged. What that blue said to Rattles was: easyJet cabin crew in France are set to strike August 15th and 16th over working conditions. The airline says affected passengers will be offered options such as transfers or refunds. Baby. Tomorrow is not the morning to put your phone on Do Not Disturb. Watch that reservation like it borrowed money and stopped answering calls. Don't cancel yourself off rumors. But don't pull up to the airport Saturday morning with headphones on talking about strike. What strike? Stay ready. Closing brief. That's today's tea. Weather jumped the airports. European wildfires got serious. Mount Etna kept Sicily schedules coughing. Premium travelers moved summer vacation to fall. Engine repair bills refused to die. And easyJet friends got strike weekend loading. BreathtakingLagoon.com is back up and running. Slide through for travel inspiration and available travel deals. I'm Rattles. Check them alerts. Follow evacuation orders. Save them receipts. Keep that carry-on close. Buckle your ass up. And enjoy this beautiful Friday before travel chaos. Remember your gate number. Peace. Rattles out.
Alright babes, that's today's travel gossip tea. If you booking a trip, double check them dates, fees, and fine print. Don't get played. Drop your city in the comments and tell me what travel mess I should cover next. I'm back tomorrow, same tea time, same chaos. Bye. And remember, no report on weekends.